So this is a video for how to remove the gear knob on, in this case, a 2012 Qashqai. Oh look, funnily enough, that shape. That's a coincidence. Yeah, how to remove a worn out looking shifter knob and replace it with shiny new one. That's aftermarket. It's not leather like the original, but it's plastic that looks like leather. Just means it's not going to wear out so quick. So basically, put 1 foot there, 1 foot there, put your bum around about there, both hands wrapped around that, and it will just pull back like that, pull off. Before you do that though, you have to undo the elasticated gaiter. Well, you don't have to, but it's just easier. So yeah, one leg there, sit down there so you're sat in the middle of the car, both hands one either side, and pull up really hard. When it comes off, it comes up really quickly and it might smack you in the face, so put your head to one side. Yeah, and that's how you change the shifter knob on a manual Qashqai. J10 is the model number.